then it's frictionless. You just glide along, so it just goes at any speed that you want.
Okay, now the superconductor at this temperature should never keep itself on this track because it works as a magnet. Okay, here we go.
When you build a maglev system, you really
it's taking a movie.
Oh! The second thing you have to do
But yeah, they are quiet.
Stable, have it not slide off to the side, and you do that by shaping the screws and arranging them so that if it moves to either side or up and down, it's stable. The third thing you have to do with the maglev is push it.
Never again.
And that's done by putting another set of windings in the track back and forth like this. I suppose on a river. And they carry an alternating current from a power line. When they interact with these strong magnets on the vehicle, they just push it along at a constant speed.
One easy way to visualize it is like a surfboard.
What?
Going down the track, and you're on the river, vehicle ahead on the floor, don't travel at the same speed. Instead of traveling at 50 to 60 miles an hour, if you're lucky, now you'll be able to travel 250 to 300 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's doing it. The interesting. I mean, interesting.
Now that's just the beginning. Put the tables in a tunnel that can be made.
Oh, I thought it was the word.
Now we can go at 3,000 miles an hour from London to New York.
Why are you filming my stupidity?
Because it's funny.
We think it's an ideal way to do transportation in the future. Comparing maglev going 300 miles an hour with a car, you're traveling 5 times as fast and using 1/2 as much energy. Compared to a plane, when you're traveling 500 miles an hour, you're using 1/4 of the amount of energy in a maglev device. It's non-polluting, carry an enormous volume of traffic. Maglev, being able to travel at 300 miles an hour, you can easily live 150, 200 miles away from your high-speed world.
Technology and science are essential to our existence, our well-being, and living today. It's wonderful for young people because the opportunity to make significant contributions there. I mean, you can very quickly